This is one of the better initiatives that we've embarked on in the past few years. We've got solar systems at all our branches, and most of our branches are completely off-grid. This is the latest one that we've installed. This is a high voltage system, extremely efficient, and it runs on a 30 kilowatt inverter, three-phase inverter, fed by 38 kilowatt solar panels on the roof, and the battery pack is a 74 kilowatt hour battery pack. With this system, we're totally unaware of any load interruptions, cable theft, or so forth. So this really helps our operation to continue smoothly at all times. We've also did the calculation that it normally takes us about 3.5 to 4 years to recoup the investment that we did on the solar systems. And I hope you find this interesting.